Everyone wants to get rich with crypto, but only a few understand how it really works. The truth? Most people lose money, not because crypto is bad, but because they treat it like a lottery, not a strategy. In this video, I'll break down how smart investors are using crypto in 2025 to build real wealth, safely, strategically, and with long-term results. Stay till the end, because the last part might completely change how you look at cryptocurrency. 2025 isn't the same as 2021. The hype is gone, but opportunity is still here for those who know where to look. Let's talk about how to actually invest in crypto smartly, how to avoid scams, and how to build real financial freedom through blockchain. Part 1. What most people get wrong. Let's start with the biggest mistake, chasing quick profits. 90% of beginners buy when prices are high and panic sell when it drops. But here's a fact. According to CoinMarketCap data, over 72% of investors lose money because they trade emotionally. Smart investors don't try to predict the next meme coin. They focus on long-term assets with proven utility. Example, Bitcoin and Ethereum. Both survived over a decade and are still growing stronger. Part 2. Bitcoin, the digital gold. Bitcoin isn't just another coin, it's digital gold. There will only ever be 21 million Bitcoins. That's what makes it scarce, and scarcity creates value. Institutions like BlackRock and Tesla already hold Bitcoin as a part of their long-term portfolio. In 2025, the biggest money isn't in trading. It's in holding Bitcoin and letting time do the work. As Warren Buffett says, the stock market transfers money from the impatient to the patient. The same goes for crypto. Part 3. Ethereum and smart contracts. If Bitcoin is gold, Ethereum is the internet of money. Ethereum's blockchain powers thousands of decentralized apps, NFTs, and DeFi platforms. What's interesting, over 60% of Web3 projects are built on Ethereum. And with updates like Ethereum 2.0, it's faster, cheaper, and eco-friendly, which means it's not just a currency, it's a technology revolution. Long-term investors see Ethereum not as a coin, but as a piece of digital infrastructure. Part 4. Stablecoins and safer options. Don't want the wild ups and downs. Look into stablecoins like USTD, USCD, or DAI, coins pegged to the US dollar. You can earn interest by staking or lending them on trusted platforms like Coinbase or Binance Earn. It's not as thrilling as 100 times meme coins, but it's steady, reliable, and low-risk income. Part 5. The power of dollar cost. The smartest crypto investors use something called dollar cost averaging, DCA. Instead of investing $1,000 all at once, they invest $50 every week, no matter the price. Over time, this averages out the ups and downs, reducing emotional decisions. Fun fact, studies show that DCA investors outperform 80% of short-term traders over a 3-year period. Part 6. Avoiding scams and hype traps. Let's be real. Crypto is full of traps. If someone guarantees you profits, it's a red flag. Avoid anonymous projects, pump and dump coins, or anything that sounds too good to be true. Always research through CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko, and check the project's white paper before investing. In crypto, knowledge is your best defense, and patience is your biggest weapon. Part 7. The future, AI plus crypto. Here's where it gets exciting. The future of crypto is merging with AI technology. Projects like Fetch.ai, RenderR, NDR, and Singularity NET are already using blockchain to power decentralized AI systems. In 2026 and beyond, this combination could transform how we handle data, contracts, and automation. If you invest early, wisely, you might be buying a small part of the next internet revolution. So here's the truth. Crypto isn't a magic button to get rich overnight. It's a tool, one that rewards those who learn, stay consistent, and think long-term. Don't just invest money, invest time learning, because the real profit isn't just in the coins, it's in understanding the system before everyone else does. Now tell me in the comments, do you believe crypto is still worth investing in 2025, or do you think it's already too late? I'll reply to the best answers in the next video. Hit that like button if you learned something new and subscribe for more real finance facts. Not hype, just truth.